Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you all? Hope you're very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs, very gorgeous videos of granny skewers. Granny skewer videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly videos, newly attractive designs, and more attractive, more stunning videos. So we have to share with you. I have shared with newly designs of granny skewers. Granny skewers are using different things, different patterns, like these patterns are newly videos, and we have to share with you. Granny skewers is demanding videos are using blankets, bed sheets and curtains for many things. Many attractive designs of granny skewers. Granny skewers are using different things, different covers, different cocoon sweaters, and different patterns ideas. You will be stay connected with our channel. Stay will be amazing, stay will be gorgeous videos. So keep more fabulous, keep more stunning designs ideas. I have shared with newly videos of granny skewers for different colors, like 2 colors combinations, 3 colors combinations, and 4 8 color combinations for are depending on your choice for colors and color scheme. It's amazing color scheme, and keep more fabulous stunning designs, just looking gorgeous videos. And we have to share with newly designs, newly attractive things. And granny skewers are demanding videos in my channel, so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button for all notification, all subscribers, all newly members. We have to share with newly designs, newly attractive designs, attractive ideas, and just looking gorgeous videos are demanding videos. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in these newly designs and newly attractive designs. I am waiting for this comment for related any patterns for not uploaded in my channel, and next video we are uploaded inshallah newly topics. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.